Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon PIXMA MG2450. It's a multifunctional printer. What I want to do is to show you how to load paper. We're going to load A4 paper and 4x6 photo paper. This is A4 paper. So take this paper guide, adjust it all the way to the end for A4. So take decent amounts, then go in. This is how to load A4 paper, and also it will show you on the mark that the paper we have here is A4 paper. Now I'm going to show you how to load 4x6 photo paper. I'm going to remove this A4. This is 4x6 photo paper. So the printable area need to face up. Then go in. Then adjust this paper guide all the way. So it will show you 4x6. So printable area need to face up. So this is how to load paper. Canon PIXMA MG2450. Thank you very much.